I'll be honest, taking on a renovation of this size was pretty intimidating. We had never really done anything like this before, so I went into it with a lot of uncertainty. But that changed the moment we met with Revival. Right away, I could tell not only did they have the experience to get the job done beautifully, but they really listened to us. They understood our vision from the very beginning. What impressed me most was how hands-off we could actually be. I thought I'd need to be involved in every little decision, but Revival handled everything with such care and professionalism that we could just trust the process. They were on time, on top of the details, and honestly, they were just easy to work with. The whole experience went smoother than we ever expected, and the final result, much better than we ever imagined.
For me, having a team that I could rely on was absolutely everything. I was traveling a lot during the renovation, working full-time, so I needed to be able to step back and just know that things were moving forward without me having to check in all the time. Revival completely delivered upon that. Their communication was perfect. We always felt in the loop, but we never felt overwhelmed. Their attention to detail, it just blew me away. I was always so excited to come home every day and see what next step of the project was done, and each time it was just done perfectly. It's rare to find a team that is this knowledgeable and this trustworthy. I never had to worry about anything because I knew Revival was just going to take care of everything. And when it was all over, I couldn't believe how beautiful it turned out. They didn't just renovate our space, they really brought our vision to life.
For anyone on the fence about choosing Revival, I say absolutely go for it. They took a stressful project, made it easy, fun, and exciting, and delivered a really incredible final product.